farm animals. Wow! Hello there, everyone. Today we are going to learn all about farm animals. What animal is this? A dog. Well done. And this one here, do you know what it is? It's a duck. And what is this one? I didn't hear your answer. It's a cow. And there, behind the straw, it's a donkey. This one reminds me of a cloud. It's a sheep. What animal is this? Yes, it's a bird. This one wakes everybody up in the morning. It's a cockerel. And this one we can hear at night. It's an owl. Oh, this one is too easy. It's a cat. Milu? It's Milu. And you know this one? It's a horse. And this one? It's a frog. And what about this one? It's a pig. And this one at the top? It's a hen. Well done. Oh, but we still have one more farm animal. No, it's just Gaspard messing about. The farm was so much fun. Bye for now, my friends. See you soon.